thing. Just like that, right? And then the head screw. Wait for it. Am I missing something? Oh, it was this way. This is how we do it. Oh yeah. So now that we've done that, let us see if it will light. Tuone kama tumefanya mambo ama tumefanya kazi ya maana. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's put there. Bulb. See if it does. So remember I said that this one you can either use the bulb that has a hook or this one. So I have to add this. So I can use the screw bulb. Cover your face. And let there be light. And there was light. And there was light. So let's remove the bulb. Oopsie. Oh my god, I can't believe I did this by myself. Who needs a man? Man what? Man who? So screw in our bulb inside there. Inside here, Mukari. Inside. Oh my god, look at that. Friends, it's called a soft box. So we need to do, first of all, is to secure this back part. First of all, the wires should not keep moving because I'm seeing they're moving a lot, thinking they'll come out. So I'm going to tape this. Should I glue it? Actually glue it. See why I keep telling you using hot glue is the best thing, because now I could tape this way, or I can just hot glue it and just put glue around here and glue it. Ready. Some letters to glue around the hole. So the trick is always make sure that your glue is hot, like really super hot. Then switch it off, especially if you have kids or pets. Like my dog just goes everywhere and does everything and climbs everywhere. So if she finds the hot glue gun, it's gonna burn her. There you go. So now the tricky part is putting it to stand. So I'm gonna use a broomstick. A broom what? A broomstick. No, it's a broomstick. A mop stick. So it won't make sense for me to do this. So I need something angled, something that can bend. Which is why I said if you have this part, this is part of the, what's it called? Foil. The roll that's inside the foil is this one. So I want to see if see, it can fit inside. So if I can fold this, let me cut it first of all. And you glue it. The other option is you put strings. Let's try. And there you have it. Let's add some glue because it's coming out. Oops. So take that, make a hole at the bottom, and away from covering it so that it doesn't go higher, than it doesn't go down like that. So we need to find so I'm thinking we tape it here. So here is your this is a video without the softbox light, and then switch on the lights. Ooh, there you go, with light. See the difference? Move, Junie. With, it's making my face shiny. I have a pimple. With light, without light, with light, without light. If you feel like the light is too bright, you can get what's it called? Is it called grease paper? I think it's called grease paper. If you don't get grease paper, then just look for kawaida tracing paper. Tracing paper, I don't have like a new one, but I have this that's already used. So if you cover with a peg, let me get a peg. So if you feel like it's too bright, I wish I had someone to do this. But you see, when you put this and that's a bit too bright, it feels like it's burning you. It's like your eyes can see properly. The light is still there, but now I've put tracing paper on the light. So we're gonna end the video there. Ignore my oily face. It's so oily. But this light is really, really good. Yeah. This is really nice. So there you have it. This whole thing cost me like how much? I think the most expensive thing here was, let me think. I think it was the paper, the black paper at the back, because it was 90 bob a paper. Then foil, I used foil that I already had in the house. The box, I got it from my neighbor. It's just random boxes as long as they're clean. And the tape, I've always had that black tape, but I think it was 100 bob or 80 bob in town. And then all this, like the bulb was 50 bob, the wires, it was 30 bob per meter. I got 2 meters. The socket, the fuse thing was I think 20 bob. What else? The plug where you put in the bulb, That was like 50 bob. So in total, I don't think I spent more than 500 shillings on this stuff. And glue. You could use the white glue, you could use the yellow glue with the red top. I don't know what it's called. The kawaida glue that we used to use in school. You could use that. The glue gun, you've seen it in my other videos. Because I've used it to make paper and make paper flowers and what did I use it for? The photo booth frame. The glue gun, I think I got it for 800 or 600, and I've used it for like 2 years. Was it? Yeah, for like 2 years. And the glue sticks from the guy I buy from, the others, there's small glue sticks and then there are big ones. Let's show you this one. Oh, it's already melted in. Anyway, so this is a thick glue stick. This one, there's some places, Juno, please move. Move, Johnny. What's that? What do you want? You want to say hi? Say hi. Say hi, people. Hi, Junie. Who's that? Who's that? You don't want to look at the camera. Do you in a bad mood? I just care. Okay. But now go down. Please go down. Don't lick my mouth. Don't lick my mouth. Yeah, go down. I want to go down. Okay, let's finish the video with you. So this thick one is 30 bob. There's some places where they sell it at 50 bob. But he'll sell it to you at 30 bob. If you're buying mini, you may have like a couple. I have like 100 or so. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. I feel so nice. The light is everything, but now it's showing all my blemishes, makeup pimple here. It's healing my pores. Anywho, thank you for watching the video. I think I'm just jazzing myself with this light. Like, share, subscribe. You have a light. Do your thing. Be a YouTuber. Part of the video is going to be different because I was using my camera. Oh, if you can see it there. Yeah. It's old. It's not as good as this one. So this one had decided to fura. And now I'm seeing it's okay. So yeah. So part of it I shot using that. And then I've used this. So I hope it doesn't look so bad. See you next time. Oh yeah, if you have anything you want me to make, let me know. I also need to talk to you about keeping a pet, having a pet, feeding a pet, loving a pet. Juni. Jun. What's up? You're hungry? Okay, let's go eat. Bye, people. Say bye, Juno. Say bye, Junie. Say bye, people. Say bye, people. Why are you biting me? You like my nails? I know. They're cool. Later, people.